In this video, we will be going to tell about 1-month exercise bike results, how to use stationary bike for weight loss. So let's start now. We all are eager to get 1-month exercise bike results because we want to lose weight fast. Stationary bikes not only help you build stamina and tone your legs, but they play a keen role in weight loss and are great when it comes to losing belly fat. Using a stationary bike for weight loss is not a new practice. Still, most people, specifically the novice ones, don't know much about how to ride a stationary bike for best results. It is about the settings of the bike for difficulty, resistance, and speed, and how long should you ride a bike to lose weight. Along with this, your diet, lifestyle pattern, and other things count too for 1-month exercise bike results. Stationary bike for weight loss. Can you lose weight riding a stationary bike? It is definitely possible to get 1-month exercise bike results, but only with the right set of instructions. So if you have already tried cycling for weight loss but couldn't achieve things, don't lose heart. After reading this content till the end and following the instructions inside, you will see desired 1-month exercise bike results guaranteed. So without dallying anymore, let's crush 1-month exercise bike results guaranteed. Can you lose weight riding a stationary bike? Usage of stationary bike exercises for weight loss is not new. Every gym and room of every fitness enthusiast must have bikes inside, and it is the only exercise recommended to beginners and pro workouters. For 1 month, exercise bike results, your whole body and muscles work out for betterment. They get activated to accelerate the breakage of ketones into energy and then burn fat. It isn't just a stationary bike for weight loss, but the thighs, legs, arms, and tummy, in short, all body parts and muscles get toned up. Riding a bike ceaselessly on a regular basis requires no other strenuous exercises, as this alone will keep you in shape. Besides, the benefits are enormous. So if someone asks, can you lose weight riding a stationary bike, your answer should be a big yes. How long should you ride a stationary bike to lose weight? 1-month exercise bike results are not the same for everyone, so nobody can give you an exact period to lose weight by using a stationary bike. Why? Because everyone has a different rhythm. So, when starting and on your journey to lose weight faster using a bike, it would be best not to compare yourself to others. You will start feeling better and toned up within some weeks of riding a bike for weight loss. However, your friends or everyone else might take time to notice because a visible difference will take time. However, a whole month's bike exercise will definitely bring you a fruitful turnout overall. 1-month exercise bike results, expectations versus reality. You will become thinner and lose weight like Liz Torres is a mere expectation with 1-month exercise bike.